Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Shout Out Assembly. It's Friday the 21st of May and we have a nursery reception Year 1 and Year 2 to give a massive shout out to children who've been working so hard this week. So come on, let's have a look, let's see who they are. Oh, look at this, Year 2s, Miss Howkins, look at these. So we've got Lilith, we've got Cece, we've got Esme, we've got Mason and we've got Gino. You absolute superstars. The maths that you guys are producing is phenomenal. Pages and pages of it. So huge congratulations. Let's give them a massive cheer in class, please, because they are amazing mathematicians. So well done, Miss Howkins class. Thank you. Moving on. Oh, look out, Miss Ruffle. So down in reception, we've got Bailey, we've got Betsy, we've got Naya, we've got Nia J, we've got Beatrix, we've got Lily, we've got Oliver, and we've got Alfie James. Look at you guys. Working so hard this week, really trying hard, really trying your best in everything you are doing. So please do keep it up. Massive shout out. Huge smiles on your faces as well, which just makes Mr. Allen smile. So please do keep that up, you reception children. Superstars, well done. Here we go. Oh, Super Sharks as well. The other reception class. Look at that. Look at that writing. The shopping list. So we've got Sarah, we've got Georgia, we've got Toby, we've got Oakley, and we've got Jensen. You guys are a massive shout out there, working so hard this week. Absolutely. Look at Toby working so hard. Look at him at home doing his homework. You absolute superstar, Toby. So really well done, guys. Keep it up. Keep impressing Miss Hall, because I know she's very impressed with all of you Super Sharks. Well done. Moving on. Miss Begum, look at this shout out for these hard workers. Look at the work. It's a phenomenal work that's going on in Year 1. Look. So we've got Honey, we've got Penny, we've got Maxwell, we've got Bartos, Tasnim, Toby, Lily, Sophia, Marley Ray, and Gracie May. Look at that, Gracie May reading hard. All of you producing amazing work throughout. Well done, Year 1s. And I know Miss Begum is so pleased with all of you. And I know, let's see if we get another shout out even next week, eh? See if you can get yourselves up there. Come on, give it a go. Moving on. Miss Wright, look at these nursery children being so independent and working so hard. So we've got Zygmunt, we've got Cody, we've got Maya, we've got Gretel, we've got Sunila, we've got Amelia, we've got Lily and Josiah. Look at you guys. And Sunila has been working so hard at the monkey bars and trying to get to that next one. I've been watching her. She's persevering and trying so hard. It's fantastic to see. And some fantastic artwork going on as well. Look at Amelia with her growing. Look at the beans there. It's amazing. Maya, massive smile. Keep smiling, keep being independent, you nursery children, because it's lovely to see, so really well done. Moving on. Mrs. Cook shout outs. Look at these Year 2s. They are so proud. Look at them, how proud they are just holding up their work. They are so proud of their work, and so they should be. So we've got Charlie, we've got Olivia, we've got Dovis, Rion, we've got Ebony, Ramya, Riley, well done Riley, Paul, Perla, Rosie and Jacob. Really well done. Special shout out for Ramya. Really hurt his knee, but he got himself into school. So well done, Ramya. Keeping going. And even doing games with it as well. It's phenomenal this week. So really well done. Massive shout out to you. Keep it up, guys. Well done, Year 2s. Here we go. Miss Marshall's shout outs. Look at these Year 1s again. Look at this. Look at the maths that's going on. You superstars. So we've got Olivia. We've got Adil. We've got Isla. We've got Tudor. We've got Woody, Nikita and Dennis. And I've been looking at some of that maths. It's brilliant, guys, so really well done. Keep working hard. Good sorting there, Woody. Fantastic. Adil, star worker. You certainly are, so really well done, Year 1s. Keep it up for next week as well. Well done, everyone. What a great week. What massive shout-outs. Hopefully you've all got massive cheers from all the children in your class because you really deserve it. And let's hope that next week we see some of you at presentation assembly and appearing on here getting certificates for your amazing work. Until next week, everyone. Bye-bye now.